Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit a PDF file on Google Drive. First, log into your Google account and open Google Drive. Now, upload the PDF file you want to edit. Once the upload is complete, go to the recent section. Here you will see your PDF file listed at the top. Now, double click the file to open it. You will notice that the PDF files opens in preview mode, but you still can't make changes yet. To edit, look at the top of the page for the option Open With, click on it and choose Google Docs. The PDF will now open in Google Docs as an editable document. Here you can remove any text you don't want, add your own text, insert image or other elements. Once you have finished the editing, you can save the file back as a PDF. To do this, go to the File menu at the top of Google Docs, select Download and then choose PDF document. And your new PDF file will start downloading. When you open the download file, you will see all the changes you made. And since it's now in PDF format, the content cannot be easily edited or deleted by others. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.